Python, the programming language that's taking the world by storm, with over 36 million learners on Udemy alone. It's no wonder Python is one of the most popular programming languages today. But is it the right language for you? Hi and welcome to my video. Let's try to answer this question in this short video. Python popularity comes from its versatility and ease of use. It's a general purpose language, meaning it can be used for a wide range of tasks, from web development to data science to machine learning. Its simple syntax and beginner-friendly approach make it an excellent choice for those new to programming. Is Python the right language for you? The decision to learn Python depends on your goals. If you are learning to impress friends and family or pursue programming as a hobby, Python is an excellent choice. Its simplicity and vast online resources make it an enjoyable learning experience. However, if your primary goal is to land a programming job, Python might not be the most strategic choice. While Python is in demand in certain fields, JavaScript is a better choice in the job market. JavaScript developers are consistently in high demand, making it a more lucrative career path. JavaScript dominance in web development and its adaptability to various applications make it a more sought-after skill in the tech industry. Python, while still valuable in its own right, may not offer the same security and earning potentials as JavaScript. In conclusion, Python is a fantastic programming language with a bright future. If you're passionate about programming and seek a versatile language, Python is an excellent choice. However, if you are primarily driven by job prospects and financial rewards, JavaScript might be a more strategic decision. Ultimately, the choice between Python and JavaScript depends on your individual goals and aspirations. Explore both languages, identify your areas of interest, and make an informed decision that aligns with your career aspirations. If you have any question, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.